it's Michelle, and I've got another wonderful kit from Beebeecraft to share with you guys today. What I'll be showing you today is a quilling set. If you guys don't know what quilling is, it is sort of an art of rolled paper designs, rolled paper strips, and I cannot wait to try this out. I have always wanted to try quilling, and I cannot wait. So if you guys would like to try it too, later on I may be doing some videos of projects. If you guys would like to try it too and go on over to Beebeecraft's website and get this kit now, it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to try this out. And that's at beebeecraft.com. And your kit will include everything that is shown here. This is everything I got in my kit. First, I've got a pair of tweezers. That's really helpful. In paper quilling, I've got a little fine tip bottle, and that'll be to put some glue in. I'll probably use the art glitter glue. That's really good for paper crafting. And that fine tip is going to be great when we're quilling these tiny little strips. And then we've got a little tool kit here. We'll see what's in there. We've got a little pair of scissor snips and the quilling needle that you roll the paper around to get started with the paper quilling. And there is a little sizing guide, curling coach it says, and it shows you sizes here if you want to make 11 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 16 millimeter. That way you can gauge the size of your quilled pieces. And here we've got a little pin wheel of little stick pins that we can use to help us in our projects as well. One thing I love about Beebeecraft is their sets are always so complete. Everything that you need to learn a new craft will be in their kits. Here's some more of the sizing guides with a lot more options there to size your quilled paper rolls. I'm going to use my snips to help me get into this one. And there is another sort of quilling gauge, but this time you can do all different shapes. I like this one. I think this is my favorite one. You've got circle shapes in different sizes here, and you've got teardrops. Those are very good for making flower petals if you're making a quilled flower. Triangles, ovals, more circles, semicircles, and squares. I think that is neat. And that one is really thick. That's a nice one there. I like that. And then here we have all of our paper strips in different widths, as you can see. I think that looks like maybe an 1/8, probably a 1/4. I'm guessing 3/8. And probably a 1/2 of an inch there. And I'll take these out and show you guys. I just love how you get so many strips in so many different sizes. That is messed up a little bit there, but you just take this off at both ends, and then you've got your strip to start quilling with, which you just quill right around your quilling tool here. Get that started, and you just continue rolling and doing your quilled shapes. I think I would like the slotted quilling tool, which I do believe Beebeecraft has on their website as well. But you can see you just kind of start the rolling process. You roll that entire strip or even end to end to add more. You can cut it shorter to do a smaller one, and then just sort of pinch and fit it into these shapes here. and glue those together to make all kinds of designs and images. And I cannot wait to get started with paper quilling. It's something that I have always wanted to do. I always thought it would be so much fun. And now I am going to get to give it a try, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me when I do. I can't wait to get started. It's going to be so much fun. So go on over to beebeecraft.com and get your quilling kit. I'll leave a link to this complete set here that I've got today if you want to pick that up. And I will also check their website for the slotted quilling tool, and I'll include a link to that for you guys too if I can find it. And I can't wait to get started with this, and I hope that you guys come along and join me when I try to learn some paper quilling and see what we can make. And the little quilled images I think would be great on scrapbook pages, on cards, on tags. Any paper crafting project is going to be made more beautiful with quilling. I cannot wait. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything, as well as Beebeecraft's links, in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.